Hello, this is Bakhtabar Mahmood and you're watching Dnow. Human rights activist seeking Modi's prosecution from Gujarat Massacre arrested in India. Modi's government has earned global condemnation for arresting human rights activist Teesta Stewart. Human Rights Watch has called for the immediate release of Teesta Stewart. According to the police, Stewart and two former senior police officers are being investigated for criminal conspiracy and forgery for their activities while seeking justice with the victims of 2002 mob violence in Gujarat. However, the authorities have no evidence that can prove the charges leveled against the Stewart. Stewart is well known for her work in the support of the victims of 2002 Gujarat Massacre. More than 1,000 Muslims were killed by Hindus in 2002 Gujarat Massacre. Human rights activists are of the view that Teesta Stewart is being targeted with seeking the prosecution of senior officials, including then Chief Minister Narendra Modi. Modi is considered the chief architect of the Gujarat Massacre in 2002. The complaint filed by Gujarat Police also named Sanjeev Bhatt and R.V. Srikumar, the two former senior police officers who spoke out about the complicity by the government officials during the Gujarat Massacre. Meenakshi Ganguly, South Asia Director at the Human Rights Watch, said, "These arrests are clearly reprisals for pursuing justice for the victims of the Gujarat riots and attempting to hold those for who are in power accountable." She further added, "No one can deny the violence occurred or that there needs to be justice, and yet the authorities have been pursuing criminal charges against Teesta Stewart for years now in an attempt to silence her." The 2002 Human Rights Watch report on the massacre found that Gujarat authorities had interfered in investigations by targeting activists. Moreover, in 2005, the US government had denied Modi a diplomatic visa to visit the United States and revoked his existing 10 years business or tourist visa owing to the violation of the human rights and religious freedom. Gujarat authorities have been hounding Stewart for 20 years, filing a plethora of false charges against her. The recent arrest of Stewart has been made by manipulating the criminal justice system, while the individual who supervised the 2002 Gujarat Massacre is now the Prime Minister of India.